Welcome to Talk of the Town. I'm Robyn Zimmerman. Our guest today is Janay Glover-Smalls. She is the co-chair of the Lowcountry Scholarship Group that is putting on a workshop, a really exciting workshop, on October the 25th at USCB in Bluffton.
Yes.
For students and parents and grandparents to learn more about all the financial aid and scholarships available and grants for students
Yes.
going into college or even if they want to go into the military. So
Right.
wonderful to have you.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
You're also assistant principal at
Robert Smalls Leadership Academy. Yes.
So nice to meet you.
Oh, nice to be here. Nice to meet you too.
Okay, so let's begin with, before we talk about the event, the mission of the scholarship group.
So the mission of the scholarship group is just to have awareness and provide opportunities for students that are available in Beaufort County and nationally as well. So
Right.
We are a group of folks that are from the Divine Nine organizations, and we came together because we noticed that there was a lack of students applying for scholarships.
Right.
So we wanted to bring that awareness to our students here in Beaufort County so that they can see all of the funds and funding that's out there.
I think it's fabulous. This is the 6th workshop.
Yes.
And it will be at USCB, as I said, in Bluffton.
Right.
9 to 2, and there'll be tables.
Right.
So, information tables, but there'll also be workshops.
Yes, there'll be workshops.
What kind of workshops?
So it varies from interview tips for scholarships as well as financial aid, just to see how you can apply for FAFSA or any supports you need. There are going to be military recruiters at those tables as well, just in case students don't necessarily want to go the college or university track. So I think it's important for, like I said, all of the high school students to come, to see what's out there, to see, get some awareness from that, and then to make their decisions based off of what they've learned.
Janay, do you need any volunteers for the event? Do you need
Yes.
any sponsors for the
Yes.
event, or more community involvement?
Yes, we would love to have community volunteers. We would love, if you can't even come to volunteer, we do ask for donations, and we do have an email address that we can ask those people to email us to see if they can donate, because we want this to be a free event. We don't want any financial strains on families, and we're going to have a free lunch provided, so they don't have to have anything except for their laptop. That's it. So if I can tell you that email, it's Dr. D-O-C-T-O-R, Lakeshia, L-A-K-E-S-H-I-A @hotmail.com.
Okay.
That's going to be our point of contact for our donations if you can't come to volunteer.
So there will be a lot of folks you can walk away with a list of all the grant or scholarship opportunities.
Yes.
And what it entails.
Right. So we are going to have thumb drives.
Okay.
For students. That's why we want them to bring their devices when they come.
Okay.
Because on the thumb drive, they're going to have a list of
great.
applications that they can apply to. The links are going to be embedded.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
that's a lot of work
It's
for
a
you
lot.
guys.
You know what? We're going to plan this, and we're going to come together, and we're going to start downloading these things because it's important for our kids to be aware.
How many in your planning group?
Oh my goodness, we have about 15 of us.
Oh wow.
Yes, it may be a little bit more because we might ask some people to come by and help us.
Yes.
But we're going to work hard and get them the help they need and make sure that they're aware of what's out there.
So this is for basically high school students?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Throughout the whole district?
That's right.
Right.
And then we would like for even neighboring districts, if they could come,
Okay.
they are more than welcome to come.
All right, so it's the Lowcountry Scholarship Group workshop.
Yes.
And
yes.
it's a scholarship workshop, and also financial aid, and of course the military. So
Right.
just a lot of resources.
Yes, a lot of resources and for free.
And for free.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Well, thank you so much for doing this.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, I
Yeah,
think
for
it's
getting this out there.
so important.
Yes, ma'am.
So very good. Okay, so it's going to be again October the 25th at
October
USCB.
20th. Yes.
Thank you, Lene.
Thank
Appreciate it.
you.